Hey guys, I just wanted to send you a video to show you how to upload a video to YouTube. That way you can start uploading your own videos. I sent out the email and password. I hope you can hear Liam laughing in the background. Corey's playing with him. um, I sent out the username and password earlier this week. I can send it to you again if you need it. The first thing you're going to do is go to sign in. If you have other Google accounts connected, you may have to click use another account. Otherwise, this screen will just pop up. So I'm going to take that part out and put in Sugar Hill Kindergarten, because that's the email I set up for us. And the password is Longhorns12 with an uppercase L. Oh my goodness, look at that puppy. He's so cute. Okay, once this is loaded, all you have to do to upload a video is click here. Your video is already recorded, so you're going to click Upload Video. You can drag and drop your file if you have it readily available. Mine is not open, so I'm going to go to Select. And I'm just going to pick the first video that I see. I'm sure I have some of my downloads. Yeah, that looks like one of the writing ones. Title, I've been putting SHESK for Sugar Hill Elementary School Kindergarten. And then the day, well, I think I put the subject first, so math, day. I hope it doesn't go that long, but you get the point. I haven't been putting anything in the description, so just do next. Don't worry that it says processing, that's okay. Oh, I've been doing yes, it's made for kids, because that turns comments off and changes the upcoming videos a little bit, and makes it, it says right here, makes it more likely to be recommended alongside other kids' videos, so that way there's less worry involved. Next. Haven't been doing anything on this screen, just click next. I've been going public, and really you could choose any of these, it would be okay. And then you go publish. So you can see now that it needs to finish processing, and it finished already. That usually happens pretty quickly, especially with a video as short as this. It may take longer if your video is longer. You click close, and there it is. You can open another tab and keep working while a video is processing. The longer videos take a couple of minutes. If you want to get the embed code, you click it to make it play. Share, embed, there you go, and you can click copy and it copies it for you. So there you go. Longer videos do take longer. Short videos go quickly, like you saw, ready to go. I'm going to delete that off, but I know a couple of you were still confused about what to do. So there you go. At least try it first. I'm happy to help you if you need it, but please try it yourself first. Have a great day. Bye.